Hey viewers, in this video we will know how to send email with Gmail account using PHPMailer library. But if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like this video if you want more video like this one. So let's get start the video. So for this purpose we need a PHPMailer library. Open any browser and search PHPMailer. You will see the first link is PHPMailer library. So open it. After that, click on this option here. Now you have to download a stable version from here. Wait, click on this option 5.2 stable. So this is the GitHub repository of PHPMailer library. So you can download this source code from here. Click on code and download zip. You can see here in the bottom side my file is downloading. Okay, go to your download folder where file will be downloaded. Extract that file because this is a zip file. When the zip will be extracted, open the folder. We just need from here three files. First is class.phpmailer, second is class.smtp, and last one is phpmailer autoload. Copy these files to your project folder. My project folder is mail. So first of all I'm creating here a new folder, phpmailer, and in this folder I'm pasting all these three files. Now open this project in any text editor. I'm using here Sublime text editor. So first of all I'm creating a new file and save it in the project as the name index.php. Now go to a browser and scroll down. You will see here some source code. Copy this source code from here. Click on copy and go to the index file and paste here all the code. Now we will edit it according to our need. Okay, so there is a folder, so record the file from the folder phpmailer / phpmailer autoload.php. okay, next is object of phpmailer class, and next option is debugging. If you want to debug your code, you can uncomment this line. You can set the value here 0, 1 or 3. okay, now next is smtp functions. Keep it as a default. And next is host. If you want to send email using your Gmail account, you can use these options. okay, for the host you can use smtp.gmail.com, and as a username you can use your Gmail account and your Gmail password here, and for the post you can use 587, and for the authentication you can use TLS or SSL. okay, so change this option here, smtp.gmail.com, and next is a smtp auth. Keep it as default. And next is the username, so I'm changing it with my username anskumar00p@gmail.com. okay, next is password. You can set here your Gmail account password. okay, next is smtp secure and port. Keep them as a default option. okay, you don't need to change them. okay, so next is set from set address. okay, this line is extra line, so remove this line from here, and I'm also removing this line add reply to. okay, and add cc, add vcc. I don't need. I need only these two lines, set from and add address. Okay, set from address I'm giving here Anuskumar 00p @ gmail.com. Okay, and name I'm using babe code. Okay, you can set any name. Now next we have a options add address. This is the important part of this code. Okay, uh, enter the email address whom you want to send email using this code. So I'm giving here a email address ekkcamerex@gmail.com. Next we have some other options, attachments. If you want to attach some files, images, videos, or pdf files or doc files, you can attach here. This is the location of file and this is the name of the file. Okay, name is optional from here, but I don't want these lines. So next is HTML. You can set the format of your page. You can send plain text or set HTML format of your page. Okay, so by default this is true. Next is the subject. Change the subject according your need from here. Okay, next is the body. You can use here HTML tags. I'm using here B, which is bold tag. Okay, next is the alt body. If the mail client don't support HTML, then you can use this alt body. Okay, next we have options if mail send it. This is a condition. Okay, if mail don't send, then it will show the error message could not be sent, and otherwise it will show message has been sent. So try it. Oh, I forgot writing here password. So I'm giving here password of my Gmail account. Okay, save and refresh this page. You will see some extra lines because debugging is set to 1. Okay, here you can see in the bottom side, message has been sent, message has sent. Okay, let's check it. I'm opening my Gmail account. Okay, here you can see I have an email from WebCode, and for the title you can see here is the subject and this is the mail body. Okay, so now I'm changing here for the demo purpose this line. This is title. Also I'm changing the body. I am the subject. Okay, I'm the subject. Let's save it and refresh again the page. Refresh. You can see here message has been sent. Okay, let's check it. Refresh. Okay, again refresh. Okay, you can see here email is found. Okay, from WebCode this is title, and in the body you can see I am the subject. So in this way you can send email using Gmail account with PHPMailer library. Still, if you having any problem in sending emails, So you can use these options. First of all, go to your Gmail account and turn on less secure apps. Okay, and you can see here less secure app access. You can access this page, my account.google.com/less secure apps. Okay, uh, you have to open this option, and if you have enabled two-step verification, so you have to turn off that option, okay, from your Gmail account, so you can send email properly. Thanks for the watching this video.